Makita mo yung mga
While waiting for our dough to rise, we can now proceed with our filling, which consists of melted butter, cinnamon powder, muscovado sugar, and an option of walnuts. We can also add raisins if you want to. I don't want to add raisins. There. We will just combine our ingredients, starting with our cinnamon powder. Mix well. Then add our muscovado sugar. And finally, our walnuts. This is what our filling should look like. Set aside so that we can proceed with our glaze. As we proceed with our glaze, we will just combine
Ito na patak. Tugas ka na mag-alcohol ka doon.
butter and the confectioner sugar
Sa ilong. Huwag mo masyadong damihan yung patak, baka malunod.
with hot
Ay, sorry.
water. There. We just need to melt our confectioner's sugar, butter, and our vanilla extract. Combining all these ingredients will give us our beautiful glaze. And this is what our glaze and our filling should look like. We are now ready to proceed with assembling our bread, filling, and glaze. We will now start by removing the excess gas from our dough. The technique here is to punch it down gently so that the gases will be removed. Excess gas will be removed. The reason why we greased our bowl earlier is to prevent the dough from sticking to it. There. Once the excess gas is removed, we are now ready to roll it out on the surface. Make sure that the surface is clean and sanitized. And we are now ready to roll out our dough to this very clean and sanitized surface. Yummy. There. We will now roll this into a rectangle. Yummy.
Okay.
Now that the dough is flattened out, we can now begin to spread our filling. This is a mixture of muscovado sugar, cinnamon powder, melted butter, and walnuts. Continue until the dough is fully covered. This is what it should look like. We are now going to roll this up to create the rolls gently. We don't want our filling to ooze out. gently. And there. Pinch the edges to seal the roll. Still gently, so you don't want our filling to leak. There. We will now proceed with coating the bottom of our pan with butter. This is to make sure that our bread will not stick to the pan.
Check lang natin.
We will now cut this into 12 to 15 slices.
Unang apelido.
Ayun yung A.
Diba? Saan ang kayo na talaga?
Continue until you have 12 to 15 rolls. After sprinkling this with the sugar, it is now good to go into the oven.
Dude! Parang siya pa mo? Bayan lumabas yung ano to.
Voice over.
Wala pa naman ah.
There. We will now bake this for about 30 minutes or until it is nicely browned. See you later. There. See those beauties? They're now inside the oven. See you
Labas pa
later.
yung